Ladies and gentlemen, few vehicles are as instantly recognized as the 911. The legendary sports car is spawning 3 new models now for 2018, and we have the pleasure to premiere them today. First off, please join me in welcoming the new 911 Carera T. Ladies and gentlemen, the new 911 Carera T. Porsche is reviving the puristic concept behind the 911T of 1968. Less weight, shorter ratio from the manual gearbox, and rear drive with mechanical differential lock for enhanced performance and intense driving pleasure. The 911 Carera T at Porsche, the T stands for Touring, also boasts several other equipment features that are not available for the 911 Carera, including the PSM Sport chassis as standard, lowered by 20 mm, the Sport Chrono package, and a short-term 7-speed manual. The optional rear axle steering, which was not available for the 911 Carera, can be obtained on the Carera T. Inside, it offers the option to choose full bucket seat for the first time. The rear window and rear side windows are made from lightweight glass. The 6-cylinder flat engine with a displacement of 3 liter and twin turbocharging generates an output of 370 horsepower and 5,000 RPM. The 911 Carera T can spring from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.5 seconds. Both transmission variants enable a top speed of over 290 kilometers an hour. The 911 Carera T will be available in Canada the second quarter of 2018, and can be ordered now starting from $116,500. Ladies and gentlemen, next up is the 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series. The new 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series is the most powerful and unique 911 Turbo S ever.
Limited to 500 units worldwide, the car has 607 horsepower and can achieve a 0 to 100 time in 2.9 seconds. What's special about this vehicle is there's a lot of carbon fiber accenting along with gold accents in the wheels and weaved into the interior also. The vehicle is available within Canada also now, starting from $293,800 Canadian, and with limited production, you can be sure that they're going to be gone very soon.
And finally, it's a great pleasure that I introduce the fastest and most powerful street legal 911 ever, the new GT2 RS. Yeah, big applause for this car. This is not a race car, this is street legal.
Behind me here is the new 911 GT2 RS. As you can see, the car is a road legal track car ready to go, but has 700 horsepower from 3.8 liter flat 6 engine and capable of 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. There's a lot of unique features with this car. As you can see, there's a lot of carbon fiber reinforced plastic to lighten the vehicle. And in addition, there's also a Weissach package to reduce the weight even further by 20 kilograms. The car is available for order now in Canada and can be purchased for $334,000 Canadian.